In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create halftone text in Canva. This process is both simple and exciting, so let's dive right in. First, we'll navigate to Canva's website. If you haven't already, head over to Canva by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Canva's web address. Once there, you'll see the Login button in the top right corner of the page. Let's click on Login. After clicking Login, you'll want to hit the Continue button if you have previously logged in using a method like Google or Facebook. For those who haven't, you might need to enter your login details or choose the account you'd like to proceed with. Once you've selected your account, click Continue to get into Canva's main dashboard. Next, you'll need to select the project you want to work on. If you're starting something new, just click on Create a Design. But if you're editing an existing project, go ahead and choose it from your saved designs. Once you've entered your design workspace, it's time to start working on the text. To do that, go to Text on the left-hand menu. Once you've clicked on Text, you'll see various text options. Choose Add a Heading, and a text box will appear in your workspace. Click inside this text box and type in the text or letter you want to transform into a halftone. Resize the text box by dragging its corners, adjusting it to the desired size for your project. With your text set up, it's time to save the work you've done so far. Click on Share first and then on Download. Choose your preferred file format and hit Download again. This will save your text locally on your device. Now we'll re-upload the saved image back into Canva. Upon uploading, simply drag and drop this image into your workspace and add it to your design. Clicking on the image will enable us to make further edits, which is the next essential step. Let's head into editing mode by clicking on the Edit option. Among the editing tools, click on Blur, selecting whole image, and then adjusting the blur intensity to somewhere between 60 to 70%. This setting is crucial in achieving that smooth halftone effect we're aiming for. Now direct your attention to the Apps option in the side panel. Search for Screen and select it. Within the screen settings, activate the halftone effect by clicking on it. This will overlay the effect onto your chosen text, bringing those unique halftone dots to life. Once satisfied with the adjustment, it's time to save your masterpiece. Look for the Save button and go ahead and click it. And there you have it. Now you can proudly say you've mastered the art of creating halftone text in Canva. It's as simple as that and you're done.